guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad. Like every time I film any video, I normally feel so excited. So guys, today, okay, if you've just clicked in, my name is Stella Perita. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber in Kenya. I based on so many things, beauty, hair, makeup, nails, cooking and everything. Anything also you want me to do, I can also do it, or I can also talk about anything you want me to talk about. So today guys, we are going to cook. Yes, so we are going to cook, and actually I'm going to cook in my sitting room because, okay, I'm just going to tell you why. And I've really tried to set the place up, and so I'm just going to use my dining table. I've just carried I had to carry my gas, the small one, because the other one I can't carry. Had the sitting room, and I have to do this video because the reason why I'm not cooking in my kitchen is because my socket is not working, and since I bought a ring light, you guys, I must use it. I can't just have a bad video just because I don't have a socket in the sitting room. So I had to prepare everything and carry it in my sitting room. So guys, it doesn't matter where I cook, in my bedroom, as long as you understand what I'm saying. Yeah, sorry guys for that. Okay, that was the sufuria. Yeah, so it doesn't matter where I'm cooking from, as long as you get what I'm trying to do. So today guys, we are going to make meat. Yeah, and not just only meat. The reason why I've decided to, this is the meat we are going to make, and we are going to do everything differently. Like, just think about it. You are from work, you want to take meat, or maybe your hubby, your family wants to take meat, and it's late and you are tired. What do? So I'm going to teach you the easy way of how to make meat. It will take like less than 25 minutes and you are done. And it's not something that you're going just to sit there and you koroga. Just leave it at a certain point. You leave, you go, you do your things, then you come back, then you continue. It's so simple. And I'm just going to use only tomato sauce, not tomato sauce, so sorry, tomato, onions, and what, spices, of course, royco or any other spice you want to use. So guys, the meat that I'm going to make today is, you can like take it with ugali or and greens. If you want to another meat that you can make stew, so that you can take it with rice or just pasta or spaghetti or any other macaroni and what have you, you can just add. I will tell you the place where you can add what is it called, red chili, yeah, yellow, dhania and everything, and coriander, and also garlic. But I'm not going to use those things today because I'm making meat that I want to eat with the garlic. Okay, I don't like adding so many things when I'm just taking a meat with ugali. So, but when I want to take it as a stew with rice, normally I add a lot of things. So guys, stay tuned. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumb up. Thumb. Like this up. Give me a thumb up. Comment. Add a comment over there. Anything you want me to talk about, any question or any mistake you want me to correct, I'll just correct, and I will read them and I will answer them kama kawaida anytime I see them. So guys, straight to the video. So guys, should I talk through, or yeah, I think I should just explain as I go. I hope you guys are hearing. So you put your oil, yeah, the amount you want, yeah, because some people like a lot of oil, some don't like a lot of oil. So you just let the oil at least catch fire you know. You just don't add everything like that. You just give it some time, uh, 2 or 3 minutes, then I think it's okay. So I'm going to add the onions first. Yeah, you just add the onions first. So at this point, guys, you can just cook the onion until it turns kind of brown. Yeah, you just uh, let it set for a while as you stir, so that the ends of the onion cannot burn. That's the reason why I'm stirring. So when the onions get kind of brown, you can go ahead and add your meat. I've already washed the meat, by the way, you guys. Okay, some people don't wash the meat, but it depends with you. However you like it, however you love it, you can just go ahead and do how you love it. So during my preparation, I had to wash my meat. As you can see, it has some it has some water in it from the water I used to wash it. So you just put it in the sufuria. Yeah, you put it in the sufuria like that. So you put it in the sufuria, and please guys, don't stir. Okay, the onions are under the sufuria, so at the bottom of the sufuria, of course, but don't stir. If it's supposed to cook like that, you just look for a lid and you cover it. Yeah, because the meat is going to produce its own juice, of course, from the washing and from its normal juice. It's going to produce its own juice, its own stock, or it's just juice. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, there's a difference. The meat has turned from its redness. At least right now the redness has disappeared. That's an indication that it is cooking. And I covered the meat for a while, like for it was around 6 minutes. Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of soup produced from the meat. So I still cover it so that the soup can disappear. At least it can. I don't want the soup to be that much. Yeah, at least the meat to get cooked well, of course. After that, guys, I'm going to add the uh, tomato at this point. Okay, at this point, guys, you can add red chili, you can add green chili or green pepper, you can add garlic. At this point, you can add ginger. Yeah, anything else you want to add, you can add coriander at this point. That is if you're making, if I would have been making a stew that I want to take with rice, but I'm taking it with ugali, so I'm not going to add a lot at this point. Also, you can add salt, as you can see, and also royco cube. Any spice you want to add, you can add chili at this point, or any other spice you want to add. So as for me, I've added salt and I've added royco cube. Yeah, beef flavor to be precise. Yeah, that's what I've added. So guys, after adding, of course, you don't stir again. You just have to cover so that the tomato can produce its own juice again, so that tomato can be cooked, of course. You don't want to get raw tomatoes in food. As you can see, the tomatoes have been cooked, and this one took me around 3 minutes. So it's a total of 10 minutes, yeah, to be precise. So I'll just cook it. I've decided to cook it for around 15 minutes, yeah, total, so that it can be cooked well. At this point again, guys, if you're making stew, you can add water at this point, and I really advise you, if you add water right now, okay, add the water that you want it to, like, you don't need to add another water later on. Just add enough water that you want, or enough water that you want to make soup, so that later on you cannot add another water. The reason is because if you add another water later on, you are going to lose the taste of the meat and all the flavor in it. You're going to, like, destroy, or it's going to go down. So you just add enough water that you want, yeah, that you want to take you want to make stew, you want to make soup. Yeah, so our meat is ready. As you can see, guys, I've used generally 20 minutes there, 15 to 20 minutes to make this deliciousness. As you can see, also this one you can take with the ugali and some greens, of course. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please click on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you can be notified. Thank you, guys. Bye.